Mark Medeiros here with ACR ARTEX. Today I will talk about our new distress tracking emergency locator transmitter, the LT5000DT. As we approach the January 1st, 2024 effective date for the Global Aeronautical Distress and Safety System (GADSS) mandate, most commercial air transport aircraft delivered after this date will have to be equipped with the GADSS system. The ACR Group, through its sister companies ACR ARTEX and Skytrack, is uniquely positioned to support our customers with the GADSS requirements. As the only manufacturer in the market offering a full turnkey solution comprised of the two GADSS components, the LTDT and the ADT, Autonomous Distress Tracking Trigger, we can mitigate the risks of complex subsystems integration, assuring readiness by the mandate's due date. In anticipation of the mandate requirements, the LT5000 is currently being integrated onto major commercial air transport and business jet aircraft and can be selected and procured by airlines and operators. For more information, visit acrartex.com.